We don't have to tell you, another day of bitterly cold temperatures. It looks like a warm-up is not in the forecast anytime soon, says Storm Track 7 meteorologist Kiel.
Yeah, Ron, temperatures are going to remain very cold here as we head into the weekend. We're talking wind chills below zero all night tonight and into tomorrow morning. Already they're between about 1 and 12 degrees below zero. We'd have a wind chill advisory that's in effect tonight into tomorrow morning, so that's why Threat Tracker is elevated up to the orange. We could get frostbite in a half hour or less with wind chills as cold as 20, maybe 25 degrees below zero. And notice Threat Tracker also have been bumped up here for Sunday, and that is a chance for some light snow late in the day. So we'll time that out here in just a few moments. Actual air temperatures right now, we've got lower teens here across far eastern Iowa. We're at 12 in Cedar Rapids, 14 in Iowa City. The further northwest, where we actually saw that snow accumulate yesterday, we've got temperatures at 3 degrees in New Hampton and Decorah, 5 in Owine, 6 degrees in Waterloo. But again, you factor in that northwest wind from 10 to 20 miles per hour, and we've got wind chills that are at or below zero all across eastern Iowa. Very cold. New Hampton 14 below, 6 below is what it feels like in Cedar Rapids, and it feels like 12 below right now in Waterloo. Here's the wind chill forecast. They'll continue to get colder here as we head throughout the overnight. Again, generally from 10 below to the north to about 20, maybe 25 degrees below is what it'll feel like as you wake up tomorrow morning across the north. So it's going to be very cold. These will get above zero here as we head late into tomorrow afternoon. That is when our temperatures will warm up a bit, and our winds, they'll die down a bit. So wind chill not going to be a huge factor here as we head into tomorrow evening, but those will pick up again as we head into Sunday morning. Nice evening if you're staying inside and looking out. Storm Track 7 live weather network right now in Decorah does show a pretty calm scene. The roads have improved much from yesterday and last night when we had the very slick roads. We look at Storm Track 7 live Doppler radar, scanning the sky, not finding any snow, but as we were talking about earlier in the newscast, got this very strong winter storm system continuing to track off to the northeast, bringing a wintry mess to the Ohio Valley. But we've got a Canadian high pressure system once again off to our northwest. It's going to continue to track off to the southeast, pull in that very cold air here as we head into the weekend. Here's future track. Tonight we'll have a mainly clear sky. We'll have a few high clouds move in here as we head late in the night, but we'll start off with the sunny sky tomorrow. We'll let future track run through the day here on Saturday because we are going to have a mainly sunny sky, and that'll turn into a clear sky here Saturday night. But notice on Sunday, we're starting to see some clouds move in from the west, and temperatures will actually be a little bit warmer as we track some snow here as we head late Sunday evening into the overnight hours. Here we are at 5 o'clock. I think between about 3 and 5 is when snow is going to begin to move in, and it will continue here throughout the overnight hours on Sunday, making for a messy Monday morning commute. Not going to be a lot of snow, but it will pile up pretty quickly. We'll see generally 1 to 3 inches here, probably from Iowa City further to the north and east. And I think around Dubuque up toward Elkader and Decorah, that's where we have the best chance to see 3 inches. And again, this forecast will be tweaked here throughout the weekend, so stay with KWWL and KWWL.com for more updates. Mostly clear tonight. Wind chills, they'll be down to 10 to 25 degrees below zero, with actual air temperatures down to as cold as 10 below. As we head into tomorrow, it doesn't warm up much. We'll have single digits to teens with a mostly sunny sky. And your city-by-city forecast does show that snow tracking in late on Sunday. It will wrap up on Monday. Those temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees, very deceiving because it is going to be windy and temperatures will be falling throughout the day. Could have dangerous wind chills here Monday night into Tuesday.